find it amusing that you think your alliances, whatever faction they may be, is even entertaining the possibility you could take on me, General Rudolph von Sading, and my Raven army. We have been cleansing and purifying the lands for over a decade, but there is still much work to be done. We are just getting started. Nations will fall, and all lands will be purged and occupied with command centers. Villages will burn, and bunkers put up. It is the plan, and it will not fail. We have the finest machinery, artillery, and disciplined troops that are dedicated to our cause. They bathe in the glory of brutality and tear down all in their way. Do you really have the guts to take on my Death Division? I don't think so. But you know what? I dare you. I dare you to challenge the might of our forces. Let us see what you are made of. But in the end, like many before you, you will understand one thing. Raven will rule.